माइंड बूस्टर के टेस्ट सीरीज में आप सभी छात्रों का स्वागत और अभिनंदन। क्लास 11th के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ। चैप्टर नेम द लिविंग वर्ड। ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। डोंट स्किप एनी क्वेश्चन। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जामिनेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। द टर्म स्पीसीज was coined by Theophrastus, Linnaeus, Aristotle, John Ray. The right answer is D. John Ray. Question number second. Major diversity of living organisms is found in grasslands, temperate forests, tropical forest, deciduous forests. The right answer is C. Tropical forests. Question number 3. The fundamental taxonomic category or basic unit of classification is genus, species, kingdom, subspecies. The right answer is B. Species. Question number 4. Binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus, Pliny, Bentham and Hooker, Aristotle. The right answer is A. Linnaeus. Question number 5. Systematic is the study for diversity amongst the group of the organisms, grouping of organisms, identification and grouping of organisms, nomenclature and classification of organisms. The right answer is A. Question number 6. Which of the following has more character in common? Species, genus, class, division. The right answer is A. Species. Question number 7. A taxon is a group of closely related families, group of closely related organisms, rank in hierarchical classification, unit of taxonomy of any rank. The right answer is D. Unit of taxonomy of any rank. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a correct hierarchical order? Phylum, order, family. Class, family, genus. Class, order, family. Family, class, order. The right answer is D. Family, class, order. Question number 9. The first step in taxonomy is naming, identification, description, classification. The right answer is B. Identification. Question number 10. A group of plants or animals having similar trait and of any rank is a species, germs, order, taxon. The right answer is D. Taxon. Question number 11. Which one has least similar characters? Species, genus, family, class. The right answer is D. Class. Question number 12. The specimen used for the original publication by the author is isotype, syntype, holotype, lactotype. Right answer is C. Holotype. Question number 13. Two or more species occupying the same or overlapping areas are called sibling, sympatric, allopatric, subspecies. The right answer is B. Sympatric. Question number 14. Botanical garden provide natural habitat to wildlife, beautiful area for recreation, ex situ conservation of germplasm, repository of tropical plants. The right answer is C. Ex situ conservation of germplasm. Question number 15. As we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characteristics will decrease, will increase, remain same, may increase or decrease. The right answer is A. Will decrease. Question number 16. Which has a real existence? Kingdom, phylum, genus, species. The right answer is D. Species. Question number 17. Genus represents an individual's plant or animal, a collection of plants or animals, group of closely related species of plant or animals, none of these. The right answer is C. Group of closely related species of the plant and animal. Question number 18. Which of the following is a defining characteristic of living organisms? Growth, ability to make sound, reproduction, response to external stimuli. The right answer is D. Response to the external stimuli. Question number 19. The label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on date of collection, name of collector, local name, height of the plant. The right answer is D. Height of the plant. Question number 20. Which one of the following animal is correctly matched with the particular named taxonomic category? Housefly, mucosa, and order. Tiger, tigris the species. Cuttlefish, mollusca class. Human, primata the family. The right answer is D. Human primata. Question number 21. All living organisms are linked to one another because they have common genetic material of the same type. They share common genetic material but to varying degrees. All have the common cellular organization. All of above. The right answer is B. Question number 22. Botanical garden and zoological parks have collection of endemic living species only, collection of the exotic living species only, collection of the endemic and exotic living species, collection of only local and exotic plants and animals. The right answer is C. Question number 23. Largest herbarium of India is at Lloyd Botanical Garden, Darjeeling, Indian Botanical Garden, Shivpur, National Botanical Garden, Lucknow, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. The right answer is B. Indian Botanical Garden, Shivpur. Question number 24. Scientific names are drawn from English, Latin, Sanskrit, Arabic. The right answer is B. Latin. Question number 25. Father of taxonomy is Genre, Linnaeus, Aristotle, Lamarck. The right answer is B. Linnaeus. Question number 26. Taxonomy refers to classification, nomenclature, identification, all of these. The right answer is D. All of these. Question number 27. Taxon is a unit of order, genus, species, taxonomy. The right answer is D. Taxonomy. Question number 28. Nigrum is one species of genus Mangifera, Solanum, Triticum, Pisum. The right answer is B. Solanum. Question number 29. Royal Botanical Garden, New, is located in Germany, France, England, India. The right answer is C. England. Question number 30. Which one is the taxonomic aid for the identification of plant and animal based on the similarities and dissimilarities? Flora, keys, monographs, catalog, manuals. The right answer is B. Keys. Question number 31. A condition in which internal environment of the body remain constant is hematoma, hemopiosis, homeostasis, hemostasis. The right answer is C. Homeostasis. Question number 32. Which is correct hierarchical sequence? Phylum, class, order, family. Phylum, division, family, class. Genus, species, order, family. Division, order, class, genus. The right answer is A. Phylum, class, order, family. Question number 33. Which one has a real existence? Kingdom, phylum, genus, species. The right answer is D. Species. Question number 34. Excretion, irritability and reproduction are the characteristic of all animal and plants, animals only, plants only, some animal and some plants only. The right answer is A. All animal and plants. Question number 35. Which one of the following functions is carried out by green plant but not by animals. Excretion, growth, photosynthesis, respiration. The right answer is C. Photosynthesis. Question number 36. The basic unit of taxonomy is class, order, genus, species. The right answer is D. Species. Question number 37. Binomial nomenclature was proposed by Bauhin, Linnaeus, Huxley, De Vries. The right answer is B. Linnaeus. Question number 38. A group of related genera represent species, taxa, order, family. Right answer is D. Family. Question number 39. Scientific study of diversity and evolutionary relationship of organism is called systematic, anatomy, taxonomy, morphology. The right answer is A. Systematic. Question number 40. Botanical garden provide natural habitat to wildlife, beautiful area for the recreation, ex situ conservation of the germplasm, respiratory or tropical plants. Right answer is C. Ex situ conservation of the germplasm. Thank you for solving the 40 very important MCQ question. Join my biology class.